Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Wendy and I'm going to teach you how to make some fried eggs. So first you will be needing some frying pan, some oil, some pepper or some salt, and then some 3 eggs into some mix, some whisk, and then mixing bowl. So I already cracked my eggs, so I'm just gonna whisk it. So yeah, I'm gonna open my pan. There we go. Whisk it, whisk. Oh, anyways, I'm watching babies, so yeah. So this is done. I'm gonna put some oil on my pan. This is not sponsored, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna put my oil there. And then, oh, by the way, you will be needing some. Yes, I'm gonna get it. This one will be like this. So yeah. So the pan is okay. So let's put our fry mixing egg here. So yeah. So yeah. It's finished. So So if the egg is good, just get it out and flip it over. So I'm good at making eggs. So yeah, just wait until your egg is fine. So I can flip it over. So just try it. So this is my egg. You can see it. This is my egg. This is my egg. So yeah. So turn off my pan. Then I'm just gonna flip it over. So open my pan with this fryer. There you go. I'm just gonna flip it over again. I like to get toasted eggs. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. And then I'm gonna get my plate. So I'll be right back. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna get my egg. Oh, there we go. This is final product of my egg. So I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm eating. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.